Stop hurting your soul every day. Your confidence is slowly fading away. Watch this video until the end. Discover habits that destroy your mind. Are you ready to change now? Let us start this important journey. Habit 1 is constant self-criticism. You speak harshly to your reflection. Why are you your own enemy? Words have power over your heart. Stop calling yourself a big failure. Everyone makes mistakes in their life. Be kind to your inner child. Forgive yourself for being just human. Growth requires love and much patience. Habit 2 is seeking constant approval. You wait for others to cheer. Your worth is not their opinion. Stop asking if you are good. Trust your own path and choices. You do not need their permission. Validation must come from within you. Believe in your unique personal value. Stand tall even when standing alone. Your light shines without their help. Habit 3 is comparing your life. Social media shows only perfect moments. Do not race against someone else. Their chapter 10 is not yours. Focus on your own small progress. Comparison is the thief of joy. Celebrate the person you are becoming. Your journey has its own timing. Look in the mirror, not screens. You are enough exactly as is. Habit 4 is saying sorry constantly. Stop apologizing for taking up space. You have a right to exist. Only apologize when you're wrong. Sorry can weaken your inner strength. Replace sorry with thank you instead. Be bold and own your presence. Your voice deserves to be heard. Confidence grows when you stay firm. Respect yourself and others will too. Habit 5 is neglecting your needs. You always put other people first. Saying yes can be very draining. It is okay to say no. Boundaries protect your precious mental energy. Self-care is never a selfish act. You cannot pour from empty cups. Rest is productive for your brain. Listen to what your body needs. Treat yourself like a dear friend. Habit 6 is fearing every failure. Perfectionism keeps you from even trying. Fear is just a small shadow. Every mistake is a hidden lesson. Bravery means acting despite the fear. Do not let dreams stay dreams. Take that first step right now. Success is built on many failures. Keep moving forward despite the wind. You are stronger than you think. Silence the voice that says no. You are capable of great things. Confidence is a muscle you build. Practice these tips every single day. Notice how your feelings slowly change. You deserve to feel truly powerful. Let go of the heavy past. The future is waiting for you. Small steps lead to big changes. Write down your wins every night. Be proud of every single effort. You are the hero of today. Keep your head held very high. Smile at the challenges you face. Your story is still being written. Make today count for your future. Surround yourself with very positive people. Energy is contagious, so choose wisely. Avoid those who dim your light. Seek those who help you grow. Community makes the hard paths easy. We are all learning together now. Transformation takes time and deep focus. Stay committed to your own growth. You have the keys to freedom. Open the door to a new life. This is your moment to shine. Never give up on your potential. I believe in your amazing strength. Go out and conquer the world. Did you feel these habits today? Share your story in the comments. Please subscribe for more helpful videos. Like this video to support us. See you in the next one.